Hi everybody, Mark Oceani with Innovative Creations, ICI. We're here today with our 2018 Ford Raptor. We're going to walk you through the installation of our Baja side steps. I've got a side step laid out here in front of us along with the mounting brackets so we can show you how this all goes together. We've pre-installed the brackets on the truck, but I'm going to walk you through a couple of key points about our side step. Now, in 2015, Ford switched these over to an aluminum body, which is great for lightweight and fuel economy and things like that. But when you try to take an aftermarket bracket like this is made of steel and we put it against an aluminum body, those two things don't get along for very well for a very long time. So what we did is we made some die-cut isolators to prevent getting a metal-to-metal reaction between the steel bracket and the aluminum body. So these are adhesive back. This is something you're going to want to install before you put them onto the truck. They're die-cut, so just put them over the top of the holes, align them, stick them to the bracket. You're going to repeat this on all the steps. Do this before you get too far into the installation. Get these guys on here. Doesn't matter how they go on, just as long as it leaves the hole open, and these will bolt right up to the inside of the rocker panel of the truck. One of the other features about our step that I want to point out on our Baja step that makes it fairly unique, if you look at these little tabs right here, this is for an optional LED step light kit that we sell through ICIonline.com. These are great for at night. If you hit your key fob, you're in a parking lot, you want to illuminate the truck, these things will light up. They'll light up the ground underneath the truck, so these things are really helpful. Just a great option to have. Now that we've got those identified, I've actually pre-wired the truck with the step light in place, so those are ready to go on there. And all we did was we just tapped into the dome light accessory power. Look that up online, or if you're not comfortable with doing the wiring part of this, definitely have a professional do that. These trucks have such sensitive electronics in them. You don't want to do something wrong and tap into the wrong wire. You can create yourself a lot of headaches by doing so. So we're going to go ahead and we'll take you through the installation of these now. Okay, now we've got all the foam pads in place on the brackets. We've installed them on the truck. We're ready to put the board on the truck. I'm going to ask Kyle to step in and give us a hand with this next step, and we're going to show you how easily this bolts onto the truck. Okay, so now we've got our Baja side step installed on the F-150 Raptor. What we want to do next is we want to make sure that we've got the bar adjusted front to back. We've got the height adjusted from top to bottom. There is quite a bit of adjustment in this bar, both front to back as well as top to bottom. One thing we have to be really careful of on the F-150 and the Raptor is not to get a door interference. So what we want to do is we want to open this door gently. You want to make sure that you've got enough clearance between the top of the finish washer and the bottom of the door. We don't want to have any problems. We can theoretically push this board up high enough to where we can almost make contact with this door, so just be cautious of that. So once we've got it in place where we're happy with it, we're going to tighten everything down and be on our way. Okay, that completes our installation of the Baja side step on our 2018 Ford Raptor. I want to thank you for joining me again today. Again, if you're in the market for some side steps, please look us up at ICIonline.com. This is a great product, great warranty. There's a limited lifetime warranty on structural and 1 year on the powder coat. Can't buy a better product. Look us up. Thanks again.